The Asset Tracking app allows employees to update and maintain a clear inventory of all their company assets they have in real time. This video will go through how to install an Asset Tracking app template from our store, how to customize it, how to configure state, participants and permissions, and finally, how to create reports. So to start with, how to install an Asset Tracking app template. First of all, open any workspace. Click Create a new app, Store template. Search for Asset Tracking, and then add this to your account. Select the workspace you'd like this in, and then Install template. The template comes preloaded with elements. You can use it exactly how it is or completely customize it. To customize it, go into the template. Then Edit template. To edit a pre-existing element, go to the right-hand side of the screen, click the three dots and then Edit element. Make sure you save any changes made. To duplicate an element, again go to the right-hand side of the screen, click the three dots and then Duplicate element. To move elements within a section, go to the left-hand side of the screen and use the toggles to shift it up and down. If you'd like to move an element between sections, again go to the right-hand side of the screen, click the three dots and then Change section. Here you'll see the elements moved. To add an element or to add a section, either go to the bottom of a section and click Add Element, or to the bottom of the template and then Add Section. Here I'm going to make a section for employees to leave some feedback. And I'm going to add an element which will be a rich text area for their employees to leave some feedback. Save changes. Next we'll go through how to manage your participants and permissions. Participants are the individual involved in the asset tracking form, and each state has a particular participant. Setting up your participants based on relationships means that when an employee creates a new form, all of the people who need to be involved in the workflow are automatically assigned. So how to set default relationships and users? First of all, open Template, then Configure States. Click Manage Participants. Here you can adjust the name to suit your business and then set default users. Here for the Asset Manager, I'm going to select Chat. And then I'm going to save my changes. Permissions allow you to have complete control of who can access the app within your PeopleGoal account. To do this, go to Settings, scroll down to Permissions, expand. If you'd like the permission types explained, click the middle button. If not, go straight to Configure Specific Permissions. Here you can set permissions depending on the relationship, team, or specific user permissions. We're going to go through how to set a specific user permission. For this, we're going to add David, set his permission type to Create and View, and then Save Changes. A great feature of PeopleGoal is its Data tab. This allows you to understand the data your app has collected in easy to understand format, either in its table or in the chart builder. To do this, go to Data, here you'll see your entire table. Each row is an item and each column is an element in a different way your items can be sorted. To create a chart, go to the top left. Here I'm going to create a new polar chart. Go to the top right to click Edit. I want to know what state my apps are in. Save changes. Now you're ready to launch your app. To do this, go to App, New Asset Request. You can either set a request for entire teams of users or specific users. I'm going to show you how you set a request for yourself. Click Select User, search for your name, then Create Asset Request. You can see your asset request in All Asset Requests or Your Asset Requests. Here it is.